The importance of twice-a-year HVAC maintenance. As a Denver, Colorado homeowner, you've probably heard that you need to schedule biannual HVAC maintenance. But why is this necessary if the unit is functioning normally? It's important to catch small problems before they become expensive problems, resulting in your furnace or air conditioner not working on the hottest or coldest day of the year. Regular HVAC maintenance will also extend the useful life of your HVAC equipment, which means you'll have to replace the unit less often. With an HVAC system that is well maintained by a licensed and experienced HVAC contractor, you'll see that your monthly utility bills may be lower overall. Finally, with a well-maintained HVAC unit, you can hopefully reduce the number of unexpected surprises and expenses. To schedule your twice-yearly HVAC maintenance with Dr. Fix-It Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electric in Denver, Colorado, call 720-797-7373.